What do you do if you failed the Plab exam? Failing an exam is a terrible feeling, and failing the Plab exam itself, after giving it so much thoughts, planning, and preparation, is another big challenge that most persons also face. But regardless of you failing, you should be able to put yourself back together, raise your shoulders higher a bit, and plan and plan to take the Plab exam once more. Give it another shot because it is worth it. You can attempt the Plab exam a maximum of 4 times. Four. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. If you have failed the exam 4 times, you can still apply for a final attempt, but you will need to provide evidence of additional learning over a period of 12 months before you write an application to the GMC. What do you do after passing Plab 1? Wow, I will be happy. I will be ecstatic, like I will dance, I will jump. That's by the way, anyway. That's by the way. After passing the Plab 1, you can immediately book for your Plab 2. When you pass the Plab 1 exam, you can immediately book for your Plab 2 exam using your online GMC account. The available Plab 2 dates can be seen from your GMC online account once you have gotten your Plab 1 results. Or even before you book for your Plab 2 exam, you can actually start your EPIC verification. Successfully completing your EPIC verification is going to save you a lot of time in the future, because after completing your EPIC verification, that is, EPIC verification is more or less like verifying your documents through EPIC. So successfully completing EPIC verification saves you ample time, as I've said. Then after doing this, you now book for your Plab 2 exam. Plab 2 exam can only be taken in the UK, that is Manchester in the UK, as I've said earlier. You must pass your Plab 2 exam within 2 years of passing your Plab 1 exam. That is very, very essential and very, very important. Just take note. So that is all I can contribute regarding the Plab 1 exam in Nigeria. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, like, drop your comments, share with your friends and loved ones, and consider subscribing to the channel. Please and please guys, subscribe to the channel because you will continue to see awesome videos like this in the future. Thank you.